Hello classmates, we are going to explain how to use a word. First of all, we will try to teach you the principal tools. Let's start with the type of the font, character and the effect. Bold, italics, underlined, the size and the type of letter and color. Now we will explain the paragraph tools. To put the text in the left, in the middle, in the right, and justified side. The diagram list and the bulleted list. To create your own style, enter to the paragraph settings. For example, modify the space between the lines. And the last things, to sort the different titles, it's appropriate to use the title style to identify and put in order the different titles. Now, we go to the reference and create the index using the table of contents. Now that we have done the index, we're going to display how to do the image index. The only thing you have to do is to insert a title in the image using the right click. Once we have a title in the image, we are going to the reference and click to insert illustration table. After that, we are going to explain some of the insert tools. We start creating the cover that you prefer. Next to the cover, it is the table. The Smarter tool is used to show the information with a different way using a graphic. We are going to show you the different heading, the footer and the page number. The heading, the footer, and the page number. In the design section, we can change the type of the characters. In the design section, we can change the type of the characters. The colors and the size of the all of the document. We can use the horizontal format with this option, and we can choose in which pages we want to apply it.